Breathe, breathe.
The back, the back, the back.
Oh, stop closing your legs.
I got it off you, I got it off you, I got it off you. I did it, I got it off you.
Well done. Oh, where are you going? Oh, nice one. Oh, you actually did that really
Oh, yes!
Oh, sorry.
Yes! We're just walking to the shops to get some stuff for dinner and we're having a little real time. So we've got our headphones on so we don't have to talk. Here is my supermarket haul. I got pumpkin gnocchi for... Yeah? No, it's okay. So for tonight's dinner, I got some gluten-free pumpkin gnocchi. And I also got this low FODMAP Napolitana pasta sauce. I can't say that word. Hint of olive oil, no onion, no garlic. Pressing. Then we also have some parmesan for tonight. And Stu is going to put some salami in his. Then also for tonight, got some veggies. I don't know if I can add any more tomatoes into mine because low FODMAP means you're only allowed to set them out tomato, but whatever. Then I got some snacks. Oh wait, I also got this lactose-free cream because I don't like pasta that's too tomatoey. Then I got some snacks for me. I got this vegan chocolate. It looks very nice and tasty. Can't really go wrong. Then I also got these vegan chocolate rice cakes just for like work and stuff because I'll get hungry. It's not like I can just go to the shop and get some of this gluten-free, low FODMAP, fermented-free, cabbage-free, whatever. Then I got these. I think some of these probably aren't considered low FODMAP, but I'm just at a point where I'm like, oh well, whatever. And I got these little snack packs as well, super nice. And then these are my favourite strawberries because I'm obsessed with strawberries. And then Stu got me these little flowers, jonquils, and Stu got Parmesan cheese and these flowers because he didn't come to the supermarket with me because he hates coming to the supermarket with me because I take too long. I don't get to go to the supermarket during the week because I'm always at work. And my commute to and from work is so long that like I wouldn't have time otherwise. So yeah. So I woke up, I did a little 2-minute stretch and a 10-minute workout. And then I got ready, free people dress, got my Birks as usual. We're actually going on a hike, so I might change my shoes. And this is my little jumper. Got my book and my Yeti. And we're going to Curtis Falls. Aren't we, Stu? So we're going to Coles to get some snacks for me. And Stu wants to get a drink. And then we're going to head to Curtis Falls from there. See you there. I got some snacks for the hike. Got some gluten-free blueberry muffins, a vegan chocolate. This I'm not supposed to eat, but Look how good they look. And then also these are my favorite sweeties. And then I also got an almond chocolate milk. Oh, someone took a dump.
What the hell?
I smell the blood of
An Englishman.
You're an Englishman, I'm an English woman. It's womankind in my world. So we've come all the way to Curtis Falls. It's a little bit busy. So this is Curtis Falls. I know. You're mental. Let's go. We're matching today. Paul taught me that.
Paul taught you that?
Yeah. I should grab things and just go.
Yeah.
The waterfall was too crowded, but the walk afterwards, it's like 1.6 kilometers. It's really nice. It's very beautiful and nice sounds. Very muddy though. Had to pull my socks up because mud kept going on my calves.
Do you rather mud on your skin or your socks?
Yeah, my socks all day, every day. I wouldn't, you know. I would
you have
not.
to live with the dirty socks. You can just crush off the mud.
Oh well.
I'm a dirty sock expert.
What the hell? Look how beautiful this is. I love it. I love it.
The camera doesn't do it justice, but it looks like Jurassic
yeah.
Park and it is raining right now. I had to just cross this.
It looks easier than it was, right? That was actually kind of hard.
She got very scared.
I thought I was going to fall and die. And I got mud on my skin. Hey, Seth. Smoke. Really very good. Anyway, I'm just...
Want to eat again?
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to end our little vlog here because when I get home, I've got a lot to do.
She does.
I do. I emptied out all my clothes drawers and I've got to try everything on and decide what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. A gluten-free burger. This is the Simon Says one because every time we get grilled, I get a different one to try. You got the brie one, right? Got some joys to share and we got some chicken. Oh my god, the table's so messy and dirty. Oh well, it's a weekend. So, I found a dog. Basically, she's lost. I called the owner and the owner's too far away to get home right now. And I said, don't stress, I'll just take her home because she tried to run into a road. So I'm using my jumper as the lead. Her name is Emily. And she's very cute. She keeps giving me kisses. Come on, Emily. Come on. Let's see. It's a very short lead for a very big dog. Look at this gluten-free lemon drizzle low FODMAP, all the keywords. Look at it. I'm so proud.
6.
Oh my god, I was going to use 2.
Okay, well, your fault.
Okay. And this is the get ready space. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh. Just come to the corner shop. Look what I found. Some sparklers. Det är så väl. How did you not react to that?